Here is the brush. It swivels okay. Here's the very rigid very short hose. The door lock is this piece right here. It opens very easily when you want it to and when you don't. So it should be able to click in place and stay locked, but it doesn't. And then here's the, oh, yep, there we go. Okay, so I guess that should be able to slide in and lock into place and stay put too. But it actually doesn't. So I'll get started and see what you can see. I won't even carry it. Oh. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so maybe I'll try to hold it. My shoulder.
So this is my brand new Oreck XL shoulder vac. The strap came out as soon as I tried to pick it up once the main strap was attached. The overall quality is, it's horrible for this strap. And considering that you truly do need to strap this, you know, be able to carry it over your shoulder because the hose is quite short. You can't really have it, like hold it with one hand. But anyways, so it is in there and you'll see, it just comes right back out. There is a little tab right here. I don't know if you can see that. There is a little tab here. That's the extent of it. That should hold it in. However, this strap it's awful. It just folds right back and pulls right out. So essentially rendering the entire thing useless as far as the strap goes. Here is the strap on the front. It's on a little bit better, but not great. So yeah, there we go. So I bought this for commercial use. It's supposed to be a professional machine. However, if I can do that easily, and obviously employees would be able to do the same. And it could injure the machine if it fell. So, and not to mention that, it could hurt floors and, you know, my client's property. So this is absolutely 100% not a recommended piece of equipment.